In this video, I want to show you how you can make money by just making calls, by just calling your friend. But this is a disclaimer. Please note that I'm not saying that you're going to make a whole lot of money from this app. It is just a review I want to give. A lot of people are saying that you can cash out from this app, but I want to give a review. I am not your financial advisor, all right? I'm just going to try something. Then when it work out for me, I'm going to try it here. So I just actually made a call, and then I was paid about $2, but that money has not reflected in my main balance. That is my wallet. So let's go around. Let's see how you can make money with this app by just calling your friends. All right. So we are going to start by first of all checking what this app is like. Now see this place here. This is my wallet. All right. This is where the money that I have made is supposed to show. Now see what they wrote there. They said $20 per hour. That is when you talk to your friend in a space of 1 hour, you can make up to $20. How do you call? You just tap on this button here that is circled, right? Whereas you have that phone icon. When you tap on it, it's going to load and start calling your friend. But wait, I'm going to show you how to get friends. You don't just call anybody on your phone book. You have to add the person via the person's username. All right. After add the person via his username or her username, these places are circled here. These are the kind of languages that are in vogue that you can speak: English, Spanish, German, whatever it is. That's the kind of languages people speak. All right. These are languages that are needed on this particular app. So whatever language you can speak here as per the ones I circled there, it is good for you to go on with it. All right. So now this button here is just the home, right? It's the home. But I want us to click on the call button, this call icon. All right. Let's click now and see what happens. All right, as you can see, I think I have just one friend here. All right, I have just one friend here. I actually send this friend a request for the person to accept, right, by typing the username here. So you type the person's username here and you hit on send, and then the person will receive a notification that you sent the person a request for the person to join. So immediately the person accepts that request, automatically that person is going to be your friend. Now I just pointed at the wallet space, so I clicked on wallet. Now let's see if truly you can actually withdraw from here. All right, it's showing that from this place you can make calls here. All right, you can make calls, and then here you can invite your friends here. Both of you are making calls together now. From the beginning, when you dial the person's number, you will be able to set it to either 50-50 or 60-40, that is in percentage. You that is calling, you can set it to the way that you can receive more than her or more than him. All right, so that is how it is. So for here, this is for wallet address. Now this wallet address is where you have to impute the kind of wallet you want to use for the withdrawal. All right, so let's go in. Now as you can see, it's telling you for you to add your address, right? So take for example now, what you want to use is USDC, which is like the stable coin. You are going to add it here, and then you know how it is. When you add it, then you can add the network that is being generated from that, the network you're going to use. Right, after adding the wallet address, you're going to add the network that is attached to the wallet address. As simple as that. That is how it works. All right, so now for this page, now we went back home. Let's see how the features are again. Now let's see how it's work. Now as you can see, this list are circled. Now that's a friend that I actually call. Now this is a call history. All right, this is the call history. So this is the part I said I was actually paid $2, right? This is it. As you can see, there is $2 and it's still showing pending. Right, this is a call I made and it's still showing pending. That means it has not yet been approved. For me, this call has been made more than 24 hours ago. And the funniest thing is, they did not set to tell us the rules. Like, your call will be approved. Maybe your payment will be approved after 24 hours. Your payment will be approved after 10 minutes. There's no such thing, right? But if there's any such thing from your side and you saw it, you can let us know. All right. But for me, I did not see anything like the rules that were set for this particular app, so that you know that, okay, after 1 hour, after 24 hours, after 48 hours, your account will be credited or your wallet will be credited. There is nothing like that. So like I said, guys, a lot of people are saying out there that this app is going to pay you. Look at the $2 there. This is even over 48 hours and my wallet is still showing zero. My account has not been credited. So I don't know what is happening. So that's why I said I should bring this to my community, so that if should the case you say you want to test it out, fine. But for me, I don't think I'm going to try this after now, because I'm just going to wait until this amount is being credited to my wallet. It's still showing 0.00 USD. So when this is credited, I can therefore go forward and make more calls and make more money from this app. So guys, this is my honest review. I don't know if they are really paying, but if they pay, I will come up on the next video. See you on the next video.